Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Epson EcoTank L3250 multifunctional Wi-Fi printer. So stay tuned. We want to go a browser and browse the printer name, and here you see the link. Click and down, scroll down, and here you see support. Click here and scroll down. Here you see recommend for your PC or laptop. This one, just click here. Another option, you can download from driver, but you always follow recommendation and accept. It will download in this corner of the browser. After completing download, just click folder and double click over the software. Yes. Here accept. Yes. Click next. Before printer installation, must need to fill up ink, so we do that. After do that, we click next and wait few minutes for completing. Here you see two options, Wi-Fi and USB. If you want to install this printer via Wi-Fi, you click first option. If you want to install via USB, just click second option and next. Before installation, you must need to connect the USB cable and next. Install. All select and install. Installation complete, and after installation you print a test page. Before clicking print, you must insert the page in tray. Next, and here you see checking the firmware. After checking and coming firmware update, you don't turn off the computer or laptop or disconnect the cable. You remember that, and we wait for finish. Here check mark and exit and install another feature. If you skip this page, no need to registration, so skip and finish. Everything is okay, so I want to show how to scan. Epson scan to, click. If you want to preview this page, just click preview. You see the preview, and here you select the extension. If you want to select PDF, it will be PDF, and if you want to select image, it will be image. So I just clicked on the image. Here you see the scan copy. This icon is black and white. Just press for photocopy. And this one is color. Just press, it will be color photocopy. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for future video. Thank you so much. Thank you.